It is kind of strange and beautiful to see that how mathematics is in nature, in universe, and how beautifully mathematics explain universe. It's so beautiful, and I personally believe that mathematics is the best thing ever discovered by humans. It is the best thing. So sometime now I used to think that in terms of mathematical universe, because in mathematics what we have now in theory and in practical and reality we see sometime after decade, sometime after normal years, and sometime after centuries, that how further result can given by mathematics. Mathematics is kind of eye of God. Through mathematics we can see everything in the universe as much as we go further in mathematics. Mathematics, I personally believe that mathematics is eye of God, mathematics is eye of universe, and mathematics is eye of soul. It is too divine, it is too spiritual. Mathematics something very beautiful. You see how Fibonacci series is applicable in flowers, and not just applicable, it is in the flowers. Okay, and how we can calculate the radioactive decay with mathematical equation. So how there are many things in nature we can relate with mathematics. With mathematics we can know that how much maximum velocity we need to escape from earth, as it is called escape velocity. We know orbital velocity with mathematics. How much velocity we need to orbital velocity, to send from something from space, and it's using, it's moving in orbital of space, in orbital of earth. So that's the beauty of mathematics. We can relate with everything. We can calculate that how much time it takes, ray of sun to reach earth from sun. That's how beautiful is mathematics is. And with mathematics we know that how much time it takes, rotation of every planet. With mathematics we know everything. We can calculate that this, if we are running from that speed, and in that time we will travel that distance. These are the in daily life, if I'm talking about in daily life, there are all everything is in mathematics. Like if you are talking about computer, so everything is mathematics. But these are the survival thing kind of mathematics. But a real mathematics, a spiritual mathematics, and a pure mathematics, and a divine mathematics is explain, and more than explain, it express the best thing in the universe. Through mathematics calculation we know how much dimension we are living in. How much dimension we till we experience 4. But with mathematics we know that there are 11 dimensions. With the string theory we know that. With mathematics we know that we have the probability of existing multiverse. Like if we are living in universe, with mathematics we know that there are multiverse. How much time it will take to travel into multiverse if we don't have mathematics? Even even go after solar system to send human, it is not till in the practice. And even thinking about galaxies, we don't have any plan. I'm not saying that we don't go, we will go everywhere in the universe, I know that. And I hope I will be alive there, because we are alive there because of our energy component dissociated in space. So I personally believe that you are alive. But you are saying that even go to galaxy we can't go there immediately. But with mathematics we know that there is a probability and chance of existing multiverse. That's how further mathematics can take us. So that's why I'm saying that mathematics is eye of God, mathematics is eye of soul. Mathematics is if we are see purely, calmly, and with inner peace, if we are seeing the pattern in the nature, pattern in the universe, I'm saying you that we can find pattern in everywhere. We can find infinite pattern in nature. cycle of earth, rotation of moon, you know, every month same months come rainy season, same month come winter season, same month come summer, same month, you know, spring, matlab according to their month they come. Everything has almost specific in nature, and mathematics is all about specific, almost approximation. I believe that mathematics give approximation to reach something. Mathematics is, you know, useful in daily life, but it is not just that limited to that. It is, you know, belong to universe. It is divine art. Yeah, mathematics is purely divine art. I feel that. So as much as we study universe, as much as we see that how much beautifully mathematics is, you know, applied in universe, in every dimension, in universe, in every dimension of life. Universe is a, you know, mathematical art. You always say that, and I always feel that. And till I am studying, I am, you know, day by day discovering that I am right. Mathematics is cool. Universe is mathematical art purely. Think about that. Thank you.